Welcome grade 3. We are in the third term, week number 2. This is our math class. Unit 10, data handling. By the end of our class, students will be able to make a pictogram for the data they collect. Students will be able to represent their data in a tally chart. Why we need to collect data? Suppose that we are going to have sports day next Thursday. In this case, each class has to choose a color to wear during the sports day. So in this case, we need to ask each student in our class, which color do you like to wear in the sports day? And we should receive their answers. In this case, we are collecting data. When you are asking a question and you start to receive answers from your friend in the class, this is called data. Each one will tell you that I like to wear green, I like to wear blue, I like to wear yellow, and so on. This is called data. So we are collecting data to be able to answer questions and make a decision. We need to decide which color of the t-shirt our class is going to wear. So what is the easiest way to understand the data that we are collecting from our friend? To represent it in a picture or a chart. Let us come and see what are the different ways to represent or to put our data in a way that we understand what is the most favorite color my friends like to wear during the sports day, which color they don't like to wear it at all. Okay, so let us see the different ways we can represent our data. The first way is to put our data in a pictogram. It means, picto means picture, so we are going to put our information as pictures. So if we are Carrefour and we would like to know which day we are selling a lot of cupcakes, if you take a look here, you will find that the day that Carrefour is selling a lot of cupcakes, or the highest number of cupcakes, we can see it is on Saturday. So in this case, we should ask our chef in Carrefour to make a lot or to bake a lot of cupcakes on Saturday. And which day we sell the least number of cupcakes. If you take a look to the picture, we can understand that Tuesday is the day where we are selling the least number of cupcakes. So we will ask our chef, don't make a lot of cupcakes or don't bake a lot of cupcakes on Tuesday, as we are selling least number of cupcakes on Tuesday. Another way to represent the data, okay, you know it. This is the tally chart. If we are asking our friends or we want to collect data about the favorite pet for the students in our class, if you are going to ask, you are going to receive the answers as tally. Each one will tell you that he likes the cat, you will put a tally. Each one will tell you that he likes to have a dog, you will put a tally. Each one will tell you that he likes to have hamster, you will put a tally in front of the hamster. At the end, after you finish asking all your friends in the class, you will discover that those are the students who show their preference for the cat. And those are the students who would like to have dog. And those are the students who would like to have hamster. So you can understand by looking to the tally marks that the most favorite pet is the cat. Okay, another way to represent the data is the frequency. When you are counting the tally and give the number, when you are counting the tally marks and give the number, those numbers are called frequency. So now it is not a tally only, it is a frequency table. Another way is the bar chart. If you look to the highest bar here, it's called cat. It means what is the kind of pet do you own? So most of the students have cat, and the least number of the students have what? Rabbit. Now this is another way to represent the data is the Venn diagram. Another way also is the Carroll diagram. Do you remember we were using this Carroll diagram in our polygons unit? If you look to this part of the Carroll diagram, this part for the polygons that has straight lines and has more than 3 sides. But if you take a look here, in the Carroll diagram, this part for shapes that has curved lines and has 3 sides or less. Okay. Now please open your textbook, page 134. Okay. Here he wants you to make a pictogram according to the birthdays of your friends in the class. So I give you here the list of 3F and their date of birth. Now we need to count how many of the students were born in January, and then we will put a picture for each one born in January. So let us see how many born in January. Only 3. You can stop the video and do it by yourself. For each one born in February, you will put a face here. For each one born on March, you need to count how many was born in March. 1, 2, 3. Any more in March? Only 3. So we draw 3 faces. Okay, for April only 1. For May we have 2. July only 1. August we have 2. No one in September. October, if you check the dates here, you will find only 1 in October, only 1 in November. December, how many? Oh, they are 5. So we don't have to go back after you finish this pictogram. You don't have to go back to the list. You can take all the information from here. So which is easiest, to take a look to the list by the dates and the names, or just to take a look to the picture here? So the pictogram make the data easier. Now you can answer all the questions about your class by just looking to the pictogram. So most students have birthdays in most students. In which month you have a lot of students were born? December, yes. And more students have birthdays in March than in April. Okay, and there are 2 students with a birthday in August. Now please, let's go to 135. Also, you will need to take a look to the list. We have it here. Now we need the number of the letters in the names of your friends here. So how many students have 3 letters? Only 1. How many students have 4 letters in their names? Okay. So how many students have 5 letters? Oh, 7. Okay, 6 letters, only 1, or 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many have 7? Okay, 2 only. How many have 8 letters in their names? 1. How many have 9 letters? No one. 10 letters? No one. 11 letters? Only 1. So now we finished our lesson. Don't forget to put like on Class Dojo post for the attendance purpose. See you. Thank you.